Hey y'all, I wanted to jump on here real quick and give y'all a quick little tip so that when you're in the store buying chicken, you'll understand what they're actually selling. I'm not getting ready to cook this chicken today. I'm just going to season it and put it in a Ziploc bag and put it back in the refrigerator. But I wanted to share this with you. When you go in the grocery store and you see what's called air chilled chicken, that's a process that you can actually do yourself. And what it is that restaurants do this. I think the large scale restaurants do this. And the grocers do this. What they do is they take the chicken meat and they leave it uncovered and they put it in these cooling refrigerators with fans. And what the air does, it dries out the moisture in the chicken, which allows you to have crispy skin. So if you see air chilled chicken in the store, they've just put it in the refrigerator, y'all, with a fan on it, okay? But you can do that yourself. If you want crispy skin on your chicken, other than, when you fry it, of course, you can get crispy skin. But if you're going to bake the chicken, you want really, really crispy skin, just leave your chicken uncovered. Make sure your doggone refrigerator is clean, people, and put it in the refrigerator and just leave it open air like that. And if you've got one of the modern refrigerators, which generally have those little twin fans in them, you don't see them, but they're there. And you have that little twin fan in your refrigerator, it will chill this chicken, and it will dry out the surface, and your skin will be crispy when you throw it in the oven to roast your chicken, okay? All right, that's what air chilled chicken is. Y'all could do it yourself, okay? So just pay for regular chicken. I actually recommend you buy a whole chicken and learn how to cut it up, but if you're not going to do that, you don't need to buy air chilled chicken. Just buy your chicken thighs or your chicken breasts or whatever and air chill them yourself by just leaving them uncovered in a clean refrigerator for about a day. All right, that's the tip for y'all today. I'm Val Taylor. Y'all go out and make it a great day, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye now.